That'd be fun in the winter, having a Jeep. Okay, so you're in the test zone.
Okay.
We're in the test zone. Actually, we were in the test zone there just before those tracks that we went over. We're going to turn left on Roland. And we'll go right down to the end of the street. When you're scanning around, because of the big snowbanks, it's important to just keep your eyes moving, looking for the backs of the stop signs or the yield signs, so it shows you where the roads are. How many colors on a stop sign or a yield sign?
How many colors?
Yeah,
On the stop sign?
most people would agree with you. There's 3.
There's 3?
3, yeah. You didn't know that? Nobody knows that. It's my crazy way of I'll show you what I mean. We're gonna make a right turn at the next intersection.
Here?
Yeah. So this sign here is hidden, right, by the trees? Until you get a little closer. Signs, they go missing sometimes. Last year there was a plow that took down a stop sign. I'll show you where. Or they're hidden by trees, or covered in snow, or sometimes. So the third color of the stop sign or the yield sign will tell you that you need to stop if you don't see red and white.
Okay.
I'll show you what I mean. I'll get to my point. We're going to turn left. Very good. Now he's in reverse. We can go by. And he made eye contact too, so he's looking right at you. Then we're going to make a right turn here. So we get this warning sign here, just give you a heads up. There's stop signs ahead. So the third color on the stop sign is the backs of the stop signs, gray. If this one was missing, plow took it down, or if you can't see it, you look across there and it'll tell you that you should stop here on this side. Yeah,
Okay.
3 colors on a stop sign. Most people are thinking about the bolts or the green sign, or a border or something, but yeah, it's just a simple way of keeping your eyes moving, just looking for clues to help you navigate through the maze, basically.